Let's assume that you are working in a company that has multiple projects running at the same time. Obviously, their management will be different and resources depending on what type of project is will be expended. Now, I'm not a fan of asking you to relate your personal experiences into understanding the project management mechanics or dynamics. They're not to be used. But for a clearer understanding for those stepping into learning these basic concepts, let me ask you to relate the kind of projects running in your organization. You may be working in the construction company, software or IT related companies, FMCG companies, with running projects across geographical areas where you may find your teams dispersed geographically. Imagine, for instance, coordinating with them for information and communicating with them for project reports, status, and information. Now imagine how will senior personnel in your organization to whom you may be reporting about your project will be making efforts to collect all the ongoing projects reports for the company to report them to the senior management. Also imagine how do multinationals operate for seeking information about their projects. A program is a group of related projects that are managed in a coordinated way in order to achieve a specific strategic goal or objective. Programs are typically larger and more complex than individual projects, and they involve the management of multiple interdependent projects that work together to achieve a common goal. Programs are often used to manage initiatives that are too large or complex to be managed as a single project, or to coordinate the efforts of multiple projects that are working towards a common goal. Programs typically involve a higher level of management oversight and coordination than individual projects, and they may include a separate program management team responsible for overseeing the progress of the program and ensuring that the projects are aligned with the project goals and objectives. The PMP provides guidance at an organizational level on how to manage programs, including strategies for coordinating the activities of multiple projects, managing risks and uncertainties, and aligning the program with the organization's strategic goals and objectives. For instance, scope of programs. Programs have a scope that encompasses the scope of its program components. Program produces benefits to an organization by ensuring that the outputs and outcomes of program components are delivered in a coordinated and complementary manner. Change management in programs. Programs are managed in a manner that accepts and adapts to change as necessary to optimize the delivery of benefits as the program's components deliver outcomes and or outputs. Planning of programs. Programs are managed using high-level plans that track the interdependencies and progress of program components. Program plans are also a guide to planning at a component level. The management of programs. Programs are managed by program managers who ensure that program benefits are delivered as expected by coordinating the activities of a program's components. Monitoring of programs. Program managers monitor the progress of a program components to ensure that the overall goals, schedules, budgets, and benefits of program will be met. While measuring the success of programs, a program's success is measured by the program's ability to deliver its intended benefits to an organization and by the program's efficiency and effectiveness in delivering those benefits. See you in the next lecture.